This is I'm experimenting. This is Nagpur Santre. This is Nagpur Santre, like matrix method. Wherever space is left, I have planted Nagpur Santre. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. One line, along one line I'll go. That's all. One more santre plant. 3 years. You santre plant ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಿಡ ಇದೆ. This is also santre plant. This is matrix method at the cross. Because what I am telling cross ಅಂತಂದರೆ 25 by 25 feet is coconut plants. In at the cross, that is 7 feet, 17 and a half feet from the coconut tree, that will be one I planted, experimental basis, one plant, santre. Santre is called Hindi word, and English word is orange. Oh, here also there are that side is too many, so many this things are there. Some have dropped, see, with heavy weight, without support they're dropping. That is also usable. That side also one this thing is there. Oh, you find so many coconuts. So coconut seeds also, seeds are there. This first time these coconuts are there. First time it is. Second time I think button dropping is not there, was not treated well. ಇದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬಟನ್ ಡ್ರಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸಂತ್ರೆ. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಆರೆಂಜ್, ನಾಗ್ಪುರ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್. ಸಿ ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಸು, ಮೇಲಿನ ಕಟ್